with another bathroom makeover, and this one is not nearly as intense as the last one, which if you haven't watched our powder room makeover video, make sure you go check that out after this one. But I'm actually going to be making over my parents' bathroom today, and I'm going to be sharing some budget-friendly and renter-friendly tips with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for the transformation of a dark space to a more bright, fresh, and functioning bathroom. And I think both my parents are really happy with this transformation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at some before footage of this space. Alrighty guys, let's go take a look at this bathroom. So we have the toilet over here and a creaky door and the vanities over here. The vanity top is actually in pretty good shape, but the actual vanity itself, like the cabinets, are this like old kind of looking wood, and it's kind of like chipping in some areas, so we have a plan for this. And then if we turn, we have the shower on this side, your standard shower, and so on this side there's a laundry hamper. And as you can see, there's no like hooks to put your towels on for when you get out of the shower. There's the door. And then over on this side is a toilet paper holder and a towel holder. So the plan really for this bathroom is to freshen it up and just make it brighter and also a little bit more functional. So let's go ahead and get into this makeover. Okay guys, so I just removed the doors to the cabinet and removed the drawers. So I'm going to be using this contact paper to basically just like cover this cabinet. This is waterproof and also removable, so when my parents want to like move out of this apartment, we can go ahead and remove this. But actually this is my first time ever using contact paper, so we'll see how that goes. But I kind of like this one. It's gonna be hard to see it right now, but it's like a white one. It has like a wood pattern, like grain on it. So I think it's gonna look nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get started with this part in the bathroom, and then the rest is basically just like cosmetics, like changing the bath mat and the shower curtain and all that is gonna be easier. So I want to get this one out of the way because it's probably gonna take the most amount of time. The first cabinet door is covered in the contact paper. It's kind of hard to see it in this light, but you can see the wood grain a lot better out of the packaging, and I really like it. My mom said she really likes it, and it definitely looks a lot better than that. That's for sure. So it actually wasn't too bad. It's pretty easy to do, at least for the door it was. So I'm just gonna keep going, have to do the other door and obviously the front of the vanity and the side and the drawers. So I'm gonna put the phone away and just keep going. And I don't think I'm gonna keep recording this just because it's pretty repetitive, but yeah. Really like this. I will definitely link this contact paper in the description box if you're interested. Alrighty guys, so I finished covering the whole front of this cabinet, and we have the doors over here, and I still have to do the drawer fronts and then this side, but hopefully that should be easier because it's like one piece. As you can tell here, I had to kind of like cut and make sure they fit properly, so it was like a lot of different pieces, but it looks amazing and my mom said she really likes it, so yeah, it's looking really good. I think this whole front and then the doors took about like 2.5, 3 maybe hours. So it's not too bad. And then once I finish this, everything else is gonna go pretty quickly because it's just like cosmetics, like I said before. But yeah, that's the progress so far. We're gonna have lunch right now. Okie dokie, guys, I just finished covering this whole vanity with the contact paper. The side is done, the drawers are done, and I just put the doors back on. I screwed them back in. It looks amazing. It just looks so much better than it was before, and I think I did a decent job. And you can see there's kind of like some areas that are, I don't know, like kind of bubbled up, but this is because the cabinet under was actually uneven. I think they had some like water damage or something before, so it just doesn't stick. But overall it looks a lot better than it did before. And so now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and clear all of this stuff out, like the bath mats and the shower curtain and all that, and get all the new stuff in here, and it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited to get into like the styling part of this. Finish clearing everything out of this bathroom and put them outside because we're gonna be using mostly like new stuff for in here. But I'm about to put up the shower curtain, and so this is the one I picked, and I really like it. My mom likes it. It's this like really nice like eucalyptus leaves and stuff, and it's just like clean and fresh and bright. And it actually comes with the rings and the shower liner, which is super great. And we got it for $12.99 from Ross, which is like such a good deal. Like just a shower curtain by itself from like Target or somewhere is gonna be like probably at least $15 to $20. So budget friendly tip, go to Ross or Marshalls and stuff and see if you can find something that you like. But this literally was the pattern that I was looking for the whole time for this bathroom, so it worked out perfectly. Here's an update, guys. I just hung up this shelf above the toilet. I actually found this at a thrift store for $5, and it actually had like 3 hooks. So we took those off, and then we added this rod so my parents can hang their hand towels there. And so when they wash their hand, they would use it right here and not have to walk all the way here to the door, because you just get like drips of water all over on the floor. So this turned out really cute, and for $5, I just don't think you can go wrong. And then I spackled the little holes from before. Gonna let that dry. But right now I'm actually going to put this little hook over here by the shower, because right now there is nowhere for them to hang their towels, like bath towels, when they get out of the shower, which is kind of weird. So they've been just like putting it on their hamper. So I'm just gonna mount this somewhere over here. But if you are renting a place where you don't want to like put nails or like holes in your walls, you can also use like something like this with a suction cup and just, you know, just put it on the wall. But we're gonna use the other one because they already have like stuff hanging all over their apartment, and most apartments allow you to, you know, put things up as long as you spackle it before you leave. And you know, you'll get your deposit back. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this, and yeah, we'll just keep going. All right, guys, I managed to hang this hook up, and I also hung these 2 mirrors that I DIY'd not that long ago actually. These are like IKEA placemats, and I thought they would just go really good with the theme of this bathroom. And also we picked up this hamper also from Ross. This was how much? Let's see. Only $21.99. It's a great size, and it's actually the same size as the old hamper they had, so I thought that just goes great with the mirrors, and it just adds like a little bit extra detail. And so yeah, I'm gonna just start styling on this shelf now and just on the vanity, and I think that should be it for this bathroom. Guys, we have the bath mat down, this like really cool like sage color. My mom actually found this again from Ross, and this is a pretty big mat. It's like 40 inches long, and it was only $10.99. Great price. Like this size would be like $30 to $40 on Target or Amazon. I looked, trust me. And also we have these towels that kind of match perfectly with the color of the mat. And I got these from IKEA. I believe they were like $2.49 a piece. So that's working out great. Just have some decor up there. And I think we're ready for the full reveal. I hope that you guys enjoyed this transformation and got inspired to refresh your own space. Let me know in the comments below which part of this makeover was your favorite. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!